Hello everybody. Today's topic is open source learning management systems, which is a learning management system, complete learning management system by which any organization or anyone can manage the total learning procedure as per the four quadrant of the MOOCs, such as lecture capturing systems or lecture notes with task and contents in different media, then assignments and tasks and evaluation and gradation, everything can be done with the help of the learning management systems. What is a learning management systems? A LMS is a software application for the administration, documentation, tracking, reporting, and delivering of e-learning education courses or training programs. As per Wikipedia, we can say that. What is the wings? There is registration for instruction and e-learning courses, then delivery of online learning materials and courses, tracking and reporting of learning, which are concerned with the learning management systems. And then different terms and concepts of LMS. There are different terms and concepts works with this process of LMS, such as course management system, learning content management system, virtual learning environment, learning platform, cloud-based learning environment, etc. Each of these is software or bundle of software program which performs the job of the administration through computer and network. In summary of functionalities of learning management systems, what are the functions? Number one is unlimited course addition, then uploading unlimited files, upgrade, credit, remove as and when necessary, facilities to use personal documents, files, and presentations. Content can be reused and linked from Scribe, SharePoint, YouTube, Vimeo, Wikipedia, etc. Upload options of SCOM files, must be logo, theme, and template based, database based, indexing, archiving, searching, and retrieval, building of text, serving, building, and issuance of certifications, selling of courses, personal domain, extension of user profile, import, export, category and group users, etc. and etc. User's point of view, an LMS works the communication between teachers and students in one way, between administration and students in another way, then between administration and teachers in another way. Teachers make communication with the students with some dialogues like online assignments, online classes, online tests, etc. Teachers and students both may have access to other courses and other online resources. Pedagogy, what are the LMS? You can see pedagogy, curriculum, administration, teacher, dialogue, pupil, learning resource, then assessment activities, delivery systems. All are interrelated. And in functional point of view, the learning management system in the modern day environment, every learning management system creates a database of each and every text entered into the system as a backup. At the same time, the system runs through the web browser and so it is very fast, secure, and user friendly. This is the diagram. We can see that how it works diagrammatically. And then what is the needs? What are the needs of the learning management system? Communications on behalf of the course organizer or recorder with the students or community, including detailed electronic as well as online interaction, are easier to control and supervise through one system. At the same time, this process reduces the physical workloads, time, and use for paper related activities. Multiple courses can be handled, including addition or uploading, deletion, modification of course materials through single platform. Easy to generate students' details with address, etc. Electronic as well as online assessment and grading with digital evaluation sheet, mark sheet, credit card, and certification can be issued, including simultaneous access through intranet and internet. machine generated calculations related with different assignments and grade scoring, better student interaction through separate user accounts, all-time access to other courses, related information and other learning materials, news, announcement, etc. Development of user community or forum among the students of the same course. There is no comparison between the absent students and regular students in respect of the all types of course related information, assignments, tests, etc. The students are also able to view messages of course materials related information through an alert or mail services. They can register themselves for any course through online. Innovation of talent management in the field of performance appraisal and proper evaluation of staff, etc., is the important tool today. With the application of the LMS as an aid to the total learning and evaluation process, employee assessment may also be done smoothly by the management. And this is the another diagram. If we consider the diagram, we can see that there is the learning objects, then community, and there is a recorder, testing, personal front-end system, etc. etc. And what is open source learning management system? There are different types of learning management system, as it may be a commercial product or it may be available open source. Open source is generally free, is a software which is free and in which the source code is available to all for better modifications. Anyone can improve it, share it to the others. Like other application, lot of open source software are available in the field of teaching and learning. The open source application software which are used for this purpose is called learning management systems. Why open source? It reduces the cost and free from vendor dependency. There are scopes for the many developers to examine and develop the softwares as the code is open. All the supporting packages are also available in open source. So it is beneficial to the different academic institutions as well as corporate organizations. It is customizable and flexible, so addition and deletion of the different modules or extensions are easy. Better supports and regular updates are available as there are open community and forum always available for this purpose. It has the capabilities of each integration with the modern social networking sites and with the content management systems. Open LMS can also integrate with the Web 2.0 technologies and features. It can link with the other resources related with the courses. Easy to download, install, and configure. Some important open source learning management systems are Moodle, eFront, eTutor, Duquesne, OLED, Sakai, Canvas, DigiChalk, Exporters, Docilab, LMS, OpenEDX, etc. What LMS do they use? Generally, with the help of the diagram, we can see that many of the organizations or institutions are using Moodle as it is a completely free open source in comparison with the other open source softwares. They are also who are the uh, target user of the open source learning management systems, education industry, technology industry, manufacturing, etc., etc. Government organizations also using learning management system. These are the logos of the different learning management systems. Here we will concentrate one of the important learning management system, which is known as Moodle. It is a learning platform which is developed to build personalized learning atmosphere. It started in journey in August 2002. It is very easy to handle and any less technology sound individual can manage the package. It is highly flexible and fully customizable elements. In India, there are 865 sites are using Moodle as per the date. These are the sites. We can see that BBS, BEC, online course management system, they are using Moodle. Then Goa University courseware, they are also using Moodle. IIT Mumbai also using the mobile modules. There are another sites who uses the module also. And in conclusion, we can say that in the era of cloud computing, it is time for the academic institutions to enhance the use of LMS in the regular course of curricula and distance learning program. By providing information through online portal using learning management system, it is easy to market any type of course curricula, including live and practical training facilities to the users community or students community. A department can manage the whole process with the minimum cost and lower technical knowledge. There will be better interactive communications with the users, as there will be a high-end automated in the automation in this learning environment. And here, during the COVID-19 pandemic period, it is very much important to implement the learning management system in each and every academic institutions for the betterment of the students, teacher, and students organization communication. So this is the main theme of the presentation. Thank you very much once again for this careful listening. Thank you very much.